Now I am talking about here again coefficient of a linear expansion. As you will know that if we give to the heat of any rod or solid material, the length will be changed. If its initial length is L, then its changing length is del L. Due to the heat, it means changing length depend upon two factors: its original length and changing temperature. That is, del L is directly proportional to L and del L is directly proportional to del T. We remember, if combine both equation to del L common, see here, del L common, del L proportional, L and del T. Understand? If we remove this proportional sign, you will get an proportionality constant. Suppose here the proportionality constant is alpha. Alpha is indicated by the coefficient of a linear expansion. Then you will get that by transposing alpha equal to del L upon L del T. This is the coefficient of a linear expansion. You similar way calculate the coefficient of the superficial expansion. You will take any square or sheet. If we give the heat, if its initial area is A, then after given the heat, the change in area is del A. It means this del A is depend upon two factor again: its original area, initial area, and change in temperature. It both combine equation del A. Del A is common, proportional is common. A is here and del T is here. If you remove again proportional constant, you will got another proportionality constant is beta. That beta is equal to del A upon A into del T. This beta is the coefficient of a superficial expansion. Similar, if you talking about coefficient of the volume expansion, if we let a cube, suppose this original volume of this cube is V. If we give the heat, this cube after the expansion of this cube is del V, then total volume will be changes. Then del V depend upon again two factor, means original volume and change in temperature. Combine the equation similar way, del V common, proportional common, and V is this and del T is this. If you remove this proportionality constant, you will got next coefficient, that is gamma. क्या है? Gamma. It means gamma is equal to del V upon V into del V. So we remember, students, there are three coefficients of expansion. First is linear expansion is alpha, superficial expansion is beta, and volume expansion is gamma. We remember these are a relation I am talking about next video.